Algorand's EMA10 certainly shows an especially descending pattern, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. As far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is currently 29 cents, which generally is very huge. Algo especially rose 8.52% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand in a real sense is buy and buy esteemed at 11 cents 01 November 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time commonly sought clarification on some things, facts. What by and large is truly transient cost expectation for Algorand, explicitly is Algo a sort of wise venture, which basically is very huge. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially huge manner. In any case, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Algo specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it in every way that really matters, is currently 29 cents, which certainly is very huge. The extremely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $38,247,734,149, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it explicitly is presently 29 cents in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an essentially enormous manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time span, which especially is very huge. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, really is up by 4.76 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which for the most part shows that as far as Algo support floor, it by and large is currently 29 cents, which basically is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely enormous manner. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for truly present moment in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, a fundamentally broad, most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, basically let us in every way that really matters discuss the especially current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so support generally is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become considerably more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors really become exceptionally dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly is very huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand cost certainly is 11 cents, with an exchanging volume of $42,402,948 in the kind of beyond 24 hours. So the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $38,247,734,149, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it most certainly is presently 29 cents in a by and large enormous manner. At present, Algo certainly is somewhere near 1% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $859,452,547 United States dollars in a huge manner. Algorand cost examination. Algo cost examination for 01 November 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, truly made sense of underneath, which generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving essentially normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the Algorand. Showing how Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. The Algorand explicitly has generally break all, it certainly upholds levels, and things generally are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, certainly further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, generally bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Algo cost underneath the critical help level of 29 cents, so Algorand in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at 11 cents 01 November 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Algorand, generally is Algo a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner. While Algo's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal truly is conceivable at this reach, so market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849. Exhibiting how as far as Algo support floor, it essentially is presently 29 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. The Algo United States dollar moving essentially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating a kind of present moment truly sell kind of sign, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath, especially signal line which in every practical sense